Hello class, we are back at it again here in room 325. Today I'm going to do a short video on how to change a light bulb on a beseler 23C. I had a friend reach out to me the other day and say, you know what, do you know how to change the bulb on this? And she was taking the whole thing apart, and it's not that hard. All right, so this uses a special bulb. We want to be very careful. You don't want to touch the inside of the bulb. You can touch the outside, but you don't want to touch the inside. So what we're going to do is just kind of set that here. We're going to unscrew this whole thing. There's two screws right here on the top. And this whole thing should pop right off. Just that one screw. The bulb is right in here. Okay, so what you do is I put my fingers on each side like this, and you kind of just pull it out, just like that. All right, and then we want to look and make sure we have the right bulb. This is a ELJ, I believe it is. I'm getting old. ESJ, what is this? EJS, hold on. All right, so we had the round bulb. We got the right bulb now. So we get the ESJ bulb, and then we're just gonna kind of, again, you don't want to touch the inside. You want to just kind of set it in here. There's like a little groove in here. If you can look, there's like a little metal piece. Can I just slide it in here carefully along the? It's almost like a railroad track, you know, like a little trail, like a little rail, and then you just kind of push it in there. And you want to make sure these two little metal pieces, they go in between the little ceramic. There's a ceramic in there, and you just push it. Boom! There it is. It's on. Look at that. Woo! We're in business. Okay. So then we just pop this back in here. Slide it in. Put the screw back on. And don't tighten the heck out of the screw, because you don't want to have tools to take it off. You can just, tighten it with your thumb. And there you go. And that's it. That's how you do it. I was just telling my students, this is a sweet spot of the year. The kids this is our VIP dark room. It's only 3 enlargers back here. This is where all the best prints are made. So I'm really excited because we have a lot of kids working back here right now, and we're getting ready for our art show. And man, this place is just a lot of good things coming out. All right, kids, we'll see you next time. We'll see you in class. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe, the little bell, all that good stuff. We're on our road to 1,000 subscribers. It's been like 7 years. I've been trying to get 1,000. We're like averaging about 30 subscribers a year. So, share it with a friend. All right. We'll see you next time.